Welcome to our channel, where timeless elegance meets modern luxury. Today, we're excited to take you on a sparkling journey through the latest in diamond necklace designs and our newest collection of elegant diamond jewelry that is stealing the spotlight this season. Imagine a world where every piece of jewelry tells a story, a tale of grace, sophistication and brilliance. The latest diamond necklace designs are more than just accessories. They are the centerpiece of confidence and charm. Designers are now blending contemporary minimalism with timeless motifs to create pieces that resonate with today's woman, bold, refined, and effortlessly elegant. One of the standout trends this year is the layered diamond necklace. Crafted with delicate chains and adorned with solitaire and pear-shaped diamonds, these necklaces offer a graceful yet dynamic look. They're perfect for both daytime chic and evening glamour. Whether paired with a classic blouse or a formal gown, they add just the right amount of sparkle. Another emerging favorite is the collar-style diamond necklace. These sit beautifully around the neck, embracing it with intricate patterns of diamonds set in gold or platinum. Popular designs include floral clusters, vintage-inspired scrollwork, and geometric patterns, each one carefully crafted to highlight the brilliance of each stone. These pieces are ideal for weddings, gala nights, or any special occasion where you want to make a grand statement. For those who adore simplicity, the solitaire pendant remains an eternal choice. However, this year's twist comes in the form of fancy cut diamonds, oval, marquise, or emerald cut, suspended from thin, barely there chains. This minimal yet luxurious look is perfect for everyday wear, combining effortlessness with unmatched elegance. The collection also features cascading diamond necklaces, inspired by waterfalls and chandeliers. These breathtaking pieces combine varying sizes of diamonds, designed to shimmer with every movement, often paired with matching earrings. They are made for brides and women who love to own the spotlight. Adding to the charm is the inclusion of rose gold settings. Soft, romantic, and unique, rose gold enhances the whiteness of the diamonds while giving the jewelry a modern, feminine touch. This season, rose gold and white gold combinations are gaining popularity, offering versatility in styling and wear. Our elegant diamond jewelry collection isn't just about beauty, it's about craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this dazzling journey through the latest in diamond necklace designs. Whether you're searching for a signature piece or the perfect gift for someone special, our elegant collection is crafted to celebrate life's most beautiful moments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stunning updates from the world of fine jewelry. Until next time, stay radiant and keep shining.